How to fix Honor Magic 7 camera not focusing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps. After clicking on apps, then again click on apps. And here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back and open camera and then click on settings and then scroll down in last and here you can reset your camera setting. Now click on restore defaults. After clicking on restore defaults, then click on OK. After clicking on OK, it will reset your camera settings. So after that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.